We just arrived here in Bonito. It's 7 o'clock, and listen how many sounds are there. It's just amazing. That's our our cabana up there. Just listen to this. We just saw an emu this size and a capybara was running there. You saw the bat? Amazing. Let's see who is at home. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Deborah, that's our office here. It's our office. They are seeing I'm bringing a little bit piece left of banana. Look, they're already looking. They're already looking. Already looking. Oh, and this has a little child on the back. I think. Here, I give you some. I give you the banana. I give you the banana. Huh? Oh, there's only Pete left. Sorry. Ah. Look at this little one on the back. Sleeping. And look at this. He's checking out the electricity. Yeah. From behind. But there's nothing left. Sorry. You see, nothing left. Look at this. Checking out electricity. Huh? I have to send this to Eckhart, he will like this. And that's, you see, that's about paradise here. And Donacida. See, that's why people like hammocks. Banana. How about some banana? Banana. Yeah. No, banana is better than dulce de leche. Oh, that's a big bite. Oh, big bite. This is good. Yeah. This is just here on the cabana. Imagine they come here. And that seems to be a couple they live, they're together always for a whole life, araras. But I didn't know that the blue and red can go together. See? Is this good? Huh? We're sitting here at a very, very romantic place, also next to our cabana, and here people can also go for scuba diving. Now imagine, she turned on the water herself, and now she's drinking. Hope you close it also, no? Deborah, she opened it because she knows that there's water. I mean, this is unbelievable. Huh? Yeah. You want some peanuts? I have some peanuts. And now the two are together, but I now have to close this here. Yeah. And that's just one of the places along the river here. And it's completely clear, the water is totally clear, look at this here. So here we have another animal. And they're all more than gentle and okay. Now
Fala para ele sentar aqui, Débora, que ele vem buscar.
Vai mostrando. Yeah, here's some peanuts. Peanuts. Hello. Yeah. 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 Some peanuts. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Venha, senta aqui na cadeira que ele vem.
There's another one.
Fala para ele sentar ali, Débora.
There's another one here. Look at this.
Olha lá.
Yeah.
Senta que ele vem. Sit down. Ele não senta. Hã?
Yeah.
Ele vem.
No. You watch what you're filming. Hey, because we can cut this later. We can cut it. Hey. Yeah, he's coming from here.
Ah, pegou!
See, this is our
Aí outro, aí outro.
our room here. She likes to lick. Ah. Good morning. Good morning.
É boazinha.
Hã? So good. And he likes to be around. On the way up here. Oh no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Could you tell me that I was going off the path with all the with all the filming. Okay, it's good. That's really the challenge here to do filming, not climbing. So that's a cave. They say it's 1 billion years old. There's some tiger tooth at the bottom of the lake, and some dinosaur bones. So it's old, but like what all those scientists who make those estimates about the Earth's age, what they don't understand, or what they don't even consider, that evolution is not linear. There's times and there are big changes in very short time. So if you look at those stalactites and stalagmites, or what they call it, they say they grow 1 centimeter in every 150 years. But they don't even consider the possibility that there's times where things are not linear and they may grow a few centimeters within the time of a year. And the same is with anything else that science does. It's always based on linear estimates. Like our life, we think, well, we grow so much older in 1 year. We get so much more gray hair in 1 year. But there's years where you're getting gray within months. And the same is true for everything in our life. It's not linear, but left brain can only see the world as linear. And in fact, almost everything that is transformative, changing, happens in minutes or in time periods that are completely out of proportion to what's happening otherwise. And that's why we are so forgetting. We think, well, it's going like this, so we have another good 20 years to live. But things are going quick at certain points in your life, so quick that you would wish you would have not thought life will never end, because suddenly it's over. Suddenly it's over, and then you wish you would have used your life more.